it's rough. Again, we've got some very formidable adversaries, and it is very, very good. Sorry, I'm eating sunflower seeds, and thus my accent is really bad.
Now, guys, inside's not as important as the outer perimeter. Pick a window, pick something on the outer side, and fall in.
Bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum. You get points for style today. This thing rules.
Gringo with my salad. Gringo with my salad. Hey gringos, how many of you did we kill here today? Oh, many of them. Many gringos were killed today. That is the beauty of killing gringos. They're so easy to kill.
You serious?
Use your voices, boys!
Churro Mart.
Hell yeah!
Where you can get all of your finest products. At Churro Mart, we pay our people 14 cents a day.
G3, if you see anybody start to sneak out from back here, you let us know. Want this one?
No,
I'd actually rather have you back and forth.
Probably the last time I've ever talked to you, Jimmy. Have we abused you in any way?
One right near the no. Actually, as far as
Are you telling the truth, Jimmy?
No.
Jimmy, have we touched you in inappropriate places?
Yeah. Yes.
Jimmy, on the little Me Too doll, show me where we have touched you.
there's my man. Where
Yeah.
you been, bud?
Well, my gearbox, I left my bevel gear and my bearing popped on it, so my gearbox is shredded.
Mike, give me that.
It's always a gearbox, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Let's kill some people, shall we?
Well, we're gonna try, aren't we? Incoming on the bridge! 6 o'clock!
Medic!
Look at 2 o'clock.
Power crash heals you! Reloading!
Well, we are taking pretty much heavy fire. Holy shit, that was purple smoke. Who threw the purple smoke?
They're serious about that shit right there. I'll spot that dude for you. He shoots me again.
Yeah, can you zoom for me?
You got it.
Wolf, I'll give it to you, but buddy, I got 10 guys sitting right here on the fence.
One minute!
Oh, I can...
you got me, but you do not.
They're serious about that shit right there. I'll spot that dude for you. He shoots me again.
Yeah, can you zoom for me?
You got it. There he is. He's out in the open. Gun him down. There is he. Shoot. Up. There. Over to the there. Down. Go. Okay, to the right. There you go. Right in there. Down. Down. To the left. Just to the left.
Is there a medic available?
There he is. Oh, sweet. You're welcome. Don't tell anybody about that, all right?
Whoa!
It's only on camera.